Gusto mo bang malaman ang sikreto ng totoong yaman? Hindi ito nasa stock market, crypto o business strategy lang. Nasa isang verse lang pala to ng Bible. At kapag nakuha mo to, wealth will start chasing you. Sabi ni Jesus sa Matthew 6:33, "But seek first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you." Yung salitang added dito sa Greek ay prostithemi. Ibig sabihin to be placed beside, to be given in addition. Ibig sabihin habang inuuna mo si Lord, siya mismo ang nagdadagdag ng lahat ng kailangan mo. Pera, connections, opportunities, favor. True wealth isn't about chasing money. It's about walking with the King who owns everything. So today, stop chasing, start seeking. Declare this with faith. As I seek God, everything I need chases me. Comment mo dyan, my friend. Favor follows me. Like, subscribe, and share this video para mas maraming Pilipino ang matutong yumaman God's way. God bless.